for some of these spirit companies in India, because Pernod Ricard, the global company, which has presence in India too, though not listed, released their numbers.
That's right. So, first let's understand, for which time period did they actually release the numbers. The time period is FY24, but their financial year ends in June 2024. So what we're trying to understand is, number one, what is the kind of sales that Pernod Ricard see? The India sales grew 6% on a year-on-year basis, with the company saying a mid-single-digit growth in the price as well as the volume mix. Now, along with that, the commentary there is quite strong. They're saying strong, broad-based and accelerated performance underpinned by strong consumer demand. And they also mentioned something that both Radico Khaitan as well as United Spirits have been mentioning in the recent past, that sales are actually premiumizing. Now, what this indicates is that, number one, you look at the Q1 performance of both United Spirits as well as Radico Khaitan. United Spirits in this particular Q1 actually saw 10% revenue growth. Radico Khaitan saw a lot higher revenue growth, almost in the early 20s. And in this particular segment, that is the P&A, that is the Prestige and Above segment, this indicates that both Radico Khaitan as well as United Spirits have actually gained market share compared to Pernod Ricard. And on the back of that, once this particular news did come out, analysts actually have penciled in the kind of market share gains. So if you look at United Spirits today, up almost 2%, a sharp recovery from the intraday lows, and Radico Khaitan too is doing quite well. At one point of time, it was higher by almost 4.5%. That's the reason for the up move, Rima.
Okay, that's United Spirits now up close to about 1.7%. Radico is the big mover. But let's get chatting